Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stripe Connect to US bank accounts, full guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Connect option from the menu. Select Accounts from the drop-down. Find the account you want to withdraw funds from. Click on the account name to open its details. Review the current balance displayed. If you have sufficient funds, proceed to withdraw. Click on the Payouts tab in the Account Overview. Select Create Payout or Schedule Payout, depending on your preference. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the bank account linked to the Stripe Connect account. If you don't have a bank account linked, click to add a new account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Review the information carefully to ensure it is accurate. Save your bank account information. Return to the Payouts section. Confirm your payout details. Click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a notification confirming the payout request. Wait for the processing time, which typically takes a few business days. Check your bank account for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, consult the Stripe Help Center or contact support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.